how to play the Shekere or the Shekere, however you want to say it. This one is made from fiberglass and they originally are made from gourd. You want to get your hand and hold it out really relaxed. Don't hold it too tight, just rest it there. And then you want to place your other hand on the bottom of the fiberglass. Instead of shaking up and down, which you can, it's intended to tap like a drum. And the beads will follow. You can really play it however you like. You can also tighten the beads like this, which will create a different sound. So these originate in Ghana, Africa. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see any more of our music instruments, check out the link below.